Achen-Gardner's been a utility contractor for well over 30 years. It is an employee-owned company. We have about 160 employees on staff now. As long as I've been with Achen-Gardner, we've used Empire Machinery as our rental contact, new purchases, parts purchases. We just built a relationship.
We were having some conversation about the condition of our 613 scraper. Through the conversations, talk of the certified rebuilds came up.
This being a 16-year-old machine, the options are new, used, or rebuild.
We showed them the value aspect. Them instead of having to invest in a new machine or a used machine, they were able to take their asset, rebuild it.
Doing this rebuild at the time that Achen-Gardner did saves tens of thousands of dollars on hard parts.
The first step is a conversation with the client, and once it gets here to the service department, we perform an incoming inspection. Then we bring the client in for the walkthrough. The client comes in and says, yep, do this, do this, do this. And then we start the assembly process.
99% of the stuff we do on this campus. That's why we have all these component shops where we can capture all of that.
When we assemble the machine, we have various different checkpoints throughout that for quality control. We test and adjust per Caterpillar specs. It goes into the paint booth, it gets a like new paint job, then it's ready to ship.
Rebuild process has been simple for us. Empire took off with it, kept us informed every step of the way. Just a lot of good quality workmanship coming out of their shop.
Walking in there today and actually seeing that it is exactly just as new as it was as the day we bought it was amazing to me.
Empire's going to do some field follow with us on it and make sure that everything's working the way it was designed and the way that they anticipated after they did the rebuild.
When that machine is shipped to the client, we send our quality control team with that tractor so he can watch that thing run for roughly 8 hours.
It definitely moves faster. Everything seems to work like it just came off the showroom floor. It runs as good as it looks.